Hey guys, today I'm going to show you several different ideas for making several different kinds of little notebooks. Easy, simple. What I do, and this is how I made all of these, whenever I go on a road trip or a vacation somewhere and I know I'm going to be in a hotel or just sitting around doing not much, I will carry a little bag with me. I'll carry some scrapbook paper, some copy paper, a stapler, and some scissors. And that's basically all you need to make notebooks. And so I have a lot of little notebooks I've made, and I love making them. So today I'm going to show y'all very simple ways to do it. First, whenever you get a packet of scrapbook paper, it usually has a page like this in it that you can cut out. Well, what I do is when there's two together that are the same size, I will just cut those two out and just throw them in a baggie and save them. And so like these two big ones here too, they're the same size, so I would cut them out together. So then you end up having a lot of little scrapbook papers with two pieces the same size. And here's a different one I got off a different page, and here's some different ones, and I just save them. And that way, whenever I go somewhere, I have my little assortment ready. Another thing you can do is just get your paper strips. For example, this paper strip, any size paper strip, it could be this big, this big, this big, this big, whatever size you want it. Fold it in half, and there you have the beginnings of your notebook. You just need two sides that are the same, and it doesn't matter what they're made of. Whatever you have, whatever you want. This one right here, just fold it in half, and that would be a cute little notebook. So to make the inside, excuse me, I'm going to cut some copy paper. You can just use any of them that you want. Well, I'm going to use this one right here. So I'm going to get me a couple pieces of copy paper. I'm going to fold it a whole bunch of times. Unless my notebook is that big, then I'll just fold it that many times. But I'm just going to keep folding this because it is big. Where's my thing? Oh, here it is. Okay, now I'm going to get my scissors. I might have made this too fat. And let's see. Wait. Yep, I did. I made it too fat. Because I want it to be just a little bit smaller than this. So I'm going to cut it to be that size. Let's see, how tall do I want it? Not going to be very straight, but normally when I do them, I use a ruler to make it straight, but to film the video, I'm just going to freehand it. Okay. Let's see what the size turned out to be. Too big. So I'm going to trim this side and cut a little off the top. There we go. So now this is going to be like this, and I'm going to fold it like this. And that way it's going to, let me fold this one first. Open like a book. Like this. Some of them fold at the top, some of them fold on the sides, just all different kinds of ways. Now let's see if I want all these pages in or half the pages in, because it's pretty fat. And you can stick these little notebooks inside pockets, put them with journaling tags, glue the back of it to one of your pages. A lot of different ways to do it. Okay, there we have our guts. It sticks out a little bit. That's okay. Trim off a little excess. There, and if you want to distress your journaling pages, you can. Okay, now I'm going to open it up. If I can. Get my stapler. Staple there. Try to get it in the crease, but I'm not very good at that. Well, wouldn't you know? Wouldn't you know? Hold on. I got another one. It might have staples in it. Oh, here it is. It sounds like it has a staple in it, but I don't know. Yeah. Oh, it's a purple staple. So I have one silver staple and one purple staple. Now I'm going to squish it as good as I can because it's pretty fat. You don't have to make them that fat. Just 4 or 5 pieces of paper in there is fine. And there you have the cutest little book. Isn't that adorable? And then you're just going to distress the outside. Man, that soot. That soot distressing is black. Look at that. I think I'll do the other side too. Okay, that's one way to make little notebooks. Let's find another way. Okay, what I did here is I got these big cards, like that come in square 6x6 booklets. Like you'll have a booklet with a whole bunch of pages in. I just took some pages out, put some washi tape on the edge. You could decorate it however you want to and do the same thing. But I put brads in this one. See these brads? And then see, you can see a brad right there and right there. So that's another way you can do them. And then you can decorate the front however you want. I have several of them here that I haven't decorated yet, but I'm going to. It's just a 6x6 paper pad. That's all it is. And you just take the pages out, put some copy paper in, put some brads in, or you can, you know how we put the signatures in the journal and we poked the 3 holes and put the twine in and tied a bow? You can do that. There's just so many different ways to make these little notebooks. And it just is nice to have something to put in some of the pockets rather than just journaling tags or different things. I like to have a variety of things to put in the journals. Here's another way I made them. This is what I did on my last road trip, which was like last week or the week before. So cute. Y'all look. Okay, so I made a journal like normal, right? And I put the little staples up at the top and put the copy paper in. But look what I did. I glued a little pocket on there and made a little tiny journal with one little staple in it. And it matches the front. And then the rest of them don't match. What is this? Oh, this is a cute little journal. Like this one. It doesn't match well. And then I just cut out the top right there, just for some interest, just to see how it would look. And then I have another one like the first one. It has the separate one. And then I made another one, but with this one, I put a piece of cloth ribbon as the pocket and then put the little one in there. And this one, I got a big cloth ribbon and made a little pocket out of that. You can make pockets out of anything. And a strip of paper I just glued on there for a pocket and put a little butterfly up at the top. Isn't that cute? And cut the V because it was double-sided paper. And wait, is it? Oh no, I just glued another piece of paper there to make it stick out of the V and look cute. Well, that does look cute. And this one I tied like a journal, poked my 3 holes and then got ribbon and put through it. I just thought that was so cute. And then this one, instead of making a pocket on it, I glued a little tab and put a butterfly sticker. Just glued a little tab onto the side, and you just open it, and there's your paper with little staples. And then this one, I didn't make a little journal. I put some beautiful lace across it, and then I just poked a hole there, and went through the notebook paper on the inside and tied 2 little bows. And then the inside opens like that. So cute. So that's 3 different ways to make little notebooks for your journal. And just remember, whenever you get a piece of cardstock and you're cutting out your journaling tags, anytime there's 2 the same size, keep them together, okay? Like those 2. Because then when you're just looking for something quick to do, just sit down and make some cute little notebooks. They're just adorable in journals, and they're always a surprise for who pulls it out and opens it. And they can use them for all kinds of things. But I appreciate y'all watching. Share for your chance to win any journal of your choosing, either one of the ones I'm making now, one of the ones I'm making on these videos, or any of them in my Etsy shop. Anyway, I appreciate y'all watching. Bye. I'm going to try to see y'all.